Hi YouTube, it is your girl V Gucci and I am back with another video. This video is going to be a winter favorite skincare slash beauty video, okay? So yeah, I'm going to be talking about what my favorite skincare and stuff is and everything beauty, everything that makes me beautiful, okay? And before I continue with this video, if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you don't like my video, why are you watching it? But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what products y'all want to see me try next. I am sitting on so many beauty products. I just haven't been pumping out the video as much as I need to, but I have been trying a lot of new products that I have literally been loving. Yeah, I've tried a lot of video. I have bags and bags of products that I'm like, I try and I'm like, it's okay. And I kind of just toss it into one bag. And then I have a big box full of stuff that I have not even touched and opened yet. So I'm going to be telling you guys what I am loving on this winter other than my hair, okay? I have been trying 2 eye creams at one time, but if you notice, my under eye don't look any different because I have makeup on, but my under eye has been getting a lot, let me stop bullshitting. My under eye don't have a lot of issues. I'm still young, but I'm working on it so I don't have issues in the future, if that makes sense. Because you can stop aging by using proper skincare, but if you don't use proper skincare, you can't reverse time. Once you get there and your skin has damaged or you have aged, you can't then say, I want to now skip 20 years prior. No, you have to start early if you want to age early. I'm trying to age like Jamie Foxx's ex-wife, okay? I want to look like her in my 50s. That's what I want to do. That's when you know I've made it. But lately, I have been trying the Osmotic Copper Blue Eye Cream. I like this eye cream. It's supposed to work on lines and it's supposed to be really, really gentle on the skin. The reason that I wanted to review about this eye cream, the reason I wanted to review about this line is because I heard that they pretty much test this product they recommended for people that have cancer. Okay, so if you have like some type of cancer, you're restricted from a lot of different skincare lines and skincare brands. This is extremely, extremely gentle that even a cancer patient can use it. That is the reason why I have been enjoying using this on my skin. My skin breaks out very severely to products that are not gentle because I have really, really sensitive skin, but I love this, okay? So, I mean, yes, I don't know what it's doing for my under eye because I don't have a lot of issues that I'm working on, but I know that I'm slowing down time and I'm doing it in a very gentle fashion, okay? Secondly, I wanted to review about a Clinique eye cream because a lot of the times, eye creams are probably the most expensive thing you can ever buy. Reason is, underneath our eye is the first place to age on your body. I've told you guys this. So you have to be very, very strict on the type of stuff you use. And brands know this. So they usually price their eye creams more expensive sometimes than the moisturizer. So I want to tell you guys a line that I've been liking that is not that expensive because y'all know I got bougie taste. But I've been using Clinique's Smart Eye Cream and I really, really like it. It's just like the Osmotic and the Pump. But all what I need for these eye cream, I know I'm wasting it, but all what I need for this eye cream is literally like a dime size. And I rub it on my hands and kind of smooth it on. And I pretty much, because I battle with both, I use Clinique in the daytime and I use my Osmotic in the nighttime because, I mean, the Osmotic is more expensive and the Clinique is less expensive. So I use the Osmotic in the nighttime because I know that my skin completely heals itself at night, okay? Next, I have been loving the Osmotic moisturizer, right? The reason that I have been loving this moisturizer is because it doesn't really, it's a brightening moisturizer, so it works on, it's dropping. It's a brightening moisturizer, so it works on kind of brightening up my dark spots, and I have dark spots issues. I've shared this with you guys. So my go-to with skincare and moisturizers is always going to be something that's going to work on brightening. Okay, I don't have wrinkles yet, thank you God, you know, knock on wood that it never comes, but I don't have wrinkles, so I'm always reaching for something that is going to help brighten my skin and help brighten like my complexion in certain areas where acne have destroyed my life. So I've been loving to use the Osmotic dark spot cream because, like I said, the reason that drew me to this line is because it's very gentle. Okay, very, very gentle, that people that have cancer literally can use it. With that being said, at nighttime, oh, I love this. I love this. A lot of moisturizers that work on dark spots, you can't use it in the daytime because of the fact that it has vitamin C and all that jazz in it. This one don't really specify whether to use in nighttime or daytime, so I use this in the daytime. Whenever I want a moisturizer that's gonna work on dark spot in the daytime, I wear this underneath my foundation now. This has been like my go-to for like the past month and a half. At nighttime, I have been loving, okay, loving and living for my Kate Somerville Vitamin C Serum, okay? This is kind of just like the Trish Mcevoy stuff, okay? And I used to just use a moisturizer. Now I use a combination of serum and a moisturizer at nighttime. This does specify that you strictly use it at nighttime only. And in the daytime that you use SPF, okay? You have to use SPF if you're using vitamin C, retinol, any of that jazz that is going to work on rejuvenating and rebuilding your skin. You don't want to go out into the sun without SPF on your face. You're just going to make your dark spots darker. But this serum has been helping to brighten my dark spots. It's a serum, so right after I put this on, I go back over it with my Trish Mcevoy vitamin C cream. I have stopped using this for a while because I was testing out other moisturizers, and I literally don't know why I ever stopped. Like I've been telling you guys about how I've been stressed, so I've been breaking out a lot, and I've been getting newer dark spots, and this is still like the GOAT, okay? And now I found the GOAT's wife. Can't you see? But yeah, so other than that, I have been using, I know this video is just going to be called Osmotic. I have been using the Osmotic Copper Mist Setting Spray, okay? I love this, okay? I like this before, I like this more so at nighttime. I don't really like this for setting my makeup. I like this when I'm done putting on my moisturizer. If I was to ever remember, I would just spray this all over my face, you know? Or if I'm done doing my makeup and I don't really care, or my makeup looks too matte, I'll also spray it all over my face. But this stuff literally works on plumping your skin. It works on fine lines. It is skincare in a spray bottle, okay? So if you don't want to, if you're too lazy to reach for a moisturizer, this is like half the job for you. So you can literally just live, you know? I'm like, let me use some. It smells good too. It smells really, really good. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know what that was. Okay. Anyways, other than that, hi Jenny. I have been using and loving this Bobbi Brown mattifying primer. Okay. Y'all know religion to me is the Becca Ever Matte primer. That stuff is amazing. I'm gonna be honest with you, when I put that stuff on, my face has gotten used to it, but now that I haven't used it in a while and I try to put it back on, I feel like this. I feel very stuck, okay? I like that primer, and I love that primer because it holds my makeup together from morning till night, but I still feel very, very stuck. Okay, and that's no shade because I will still use it. I like this more. The reason that I'm saying this is Bobbi found a way to make a very, very smoothing primer that is going to keep you matte. It's kind of like a velvety, powdery feel to their primer. It is amazing. I like to compare this to the NARS Control Shine primer. This is so good. better. I'm so sorry, NARS, but I think it's actually kind of better. But I've been using this like religion lately, and this is actually one of my favorite mattifying primers at the moment. I love, 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 love this, okay? Other than my primer, I have been loving taking my vitamins. This is just a simple nature-made vitamin C. The reason I wanted to review about this is I try to take this on a daily basis, but I don't. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've also tried to do this whole taking like hair, vitamins and all that stuff, his hair, skin, and nails. I'm not strict with it. The reason I wanted to review this is that it's winter time. Everybody is sick. Vitamin C is going to strengthen your immune system. So I love, love, love taking my vitamin C tablets in the winter time because I know a lot of people are doing this everywhere and trying to contaminate me with their diseases. Take this and it will strengthen your immune system. But yeah, I was like, let me add a little drug spiel because I'm kind of like a biology nerd. Y'all should not forget that. But anywho, fragrance of life, okay? I have been loving Chanel No. 5. I'm so jealous that I don't have it in the exclusive red bottle. I wish I collected it in red bottle, but I'm kind of glad I didn't because my mom just comes into my room and sprays this perfume every day, as in like it does not even belong to me. It's okay. I'll be giving it to you very, very soon. But I really, 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 really... I really, really love this smell. It smells like, it smells so good. It just smells so good. It smells so gentle and loving. And when I smell it on people, I just want to hug them. So I feel like when I spray it, people just want to hug me. I don't know. That is my favorite smell at the moment. I lied. You know Delina by Parfum de Mali is my shit. This is like my second shit for the winter. My last but not least, a beauty product that I have been loving, my bougie self, is my Jo Malone Honeysuckle Davana spray, okay? Y'all, do y'all want to know what... Let me see. Let me describe this smell. They say when you smell a fragrance that you like, close your eyes and breathe and allow it to take you somewhere. So let me close my eyes and describe where this fragrance takes me because it's undescribable. It is truly, 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 truly undescribable. If you have not smelled Jo Malone, I highly recommend this one. And also I recommend Mimosa and the it slipped my mind. Wood Sage and Sea Salt spray. I want you guys to literally smell that. Those are like my top 3 from Jo Malone. But I love, love, love Honeysuckle and Davana. Okay, let me describe where it takes me to. I don't know. I don't know where it's taking me. I just picture myself being somewhere super luxurious. Because the smell is so intense. It's so intense. It's so sexy. So I imagine myself, I imagine my outfits. So I'm wearing something very expensive and very, very beautiful and classy. And I don't know, it's just a very sexy scenery. Like candlelit scenery, somewhere very glamorous. I don't know, it's taking me to Paris. I haven't been to Paris, but that's where this fragrance takes me. And I know that I love this in the winter time. I love it at the moment. It's one of my favorite. Honest to God, I actually kind of like it more than the Chanel, but the Chanel is a classic right now. Chanel I've loved for years. This one is like new to my fragrance world. I've never really like fallen in love with a Jo Malone fragrance, and I literally fell in love with the Honeysuckle and Davana. So with that being said, y'all, pick up any of these beauty products, you know. Let me know what you guys think when you guys try them. Comment down below if you know about some of these products, if you're already using them. Let me know if there's any products y'all would like to see in my future video. And let's go on this skincare / beauty journey together. I want to be like your sister guide that's going to take you through both high-end and low-end, okay? And yeah, I have a lot of very high-end products, but I try to always substitute something that is not as high-end so that it's you kind of have a balance, you know, because not everybody can afford super expensive stuff and not everybody wants super duper cheap things. So I try to be very inclusive with the people that watch my video. So if you liked what you guys saw today in my video, thumbs up. If you didn't, oh yeah, thumbs up. I don't care, it's by force. But make sure you guys, my sister's like looking at me like, you're gonna scare these people away. Make sure you guys are liking and following up to see when I'm gonna post my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Mwah. It's your girl, Gucci.